Are the troubles of everyday life bringing you down? What if I told you that all your troubles can easily be washed away? Well, when you're feeling troubled, it helps to wash your hands and your face. Washing with soap and water is symbolic because it washes the physical residues like dirt and germs, but also more abstract residues like feeling troubled. Some other products which help to get rid of residues include personal care products and toiletries. Facial cleansers and toothpaste are some examples of these personal care products. In these products, they contain small plastics called microbeads. Similar to these products, microbeads get washed down the drain and continue to travel to wastewater treatment plants. Microbeads are so small, they slip through the filters at wastewater treatment plants and continue to travel into water bodies. In the Great Lakes, it is known that there are thousands and thousands of microbeads, but it is unknown the number of microbeads in smaller water bodies like wetlands. Now, wetlands are located just off of the Great Lakes. For my research, water was poured through very fine filters, similar to the studies conducted in the Great Lakes. I found that in Ontario wetlands, microbeads are present. Now, also, in wetlands, microbeads adhere to algae. This creates an ingestion pathway for northern leopard frog tadpoles and freshwater snails to eat microbeads. Now, for my research, I fed these animals agarose algae cubes containing microbeads for a few weeks. The effects I studied were the impact on the immune system, growth, survival, and in combination with other factors like parasites. Now, what I found was that tadpoles and snails have different effects to microbeads. Now, I found that tadpoles, microbeads were present in the intestines, while snails, there was very few found. I also discovered that the mass of tadpoles and the shell length of snails differed amongst microbead and non-microbead treatments. It's important to contribute to the understanding of microbeads because they take a long time to break down in the environment and they have effects on animals. By exploring this pathway and effects, we can determine the extent of microbead pollution. It's important to have the awareness of microbead pollution and know that our actions have consequences on the environment. Not all our troubles get washed away.